This question might seem trivial, but it can actually impact how and where you use your card. Visa and Mastercard are the two biggest payment networks globally, but there can be slight differences in acceptance depending on the merchant. So, let's dive deeper into Wealthsimple Cash and see which network it rides on. Wealthsimple Cash, a financial app with perks. Before we tackle the card type, let's rewind a bit. Wealthsimple Cash is a mobile app that allows Canadians to hold a CAD balance, send and receive money instantly from friends, and make online purchases. It also boasts a high-interest savings account, making it an attractive option for everyday money management. One of the key features is the Wealthsimple Cash Card, a physical or virtual card linked to your cash account balance. This lets you ditch the cash and conveniently spend your money at stores and online retailers. But here's the burning question: is it a Visa or a Mastercard? The answer you've been waiting for: it's a Mastercard. Wealthsimple Cash proudly partners with Mastercard, a leading global payment network. This means you can use your Wealthsimple Cash Card anywhere Mastercard is accepted, which is pretty much everywhere. From grocery stores and gas stations to online retailers and restaurants, your card will be your trusty spending companion. Now, there's a slight catch to remember. While Mastercard enjoys widespread acceptance, there might be a rare store or two that only accepts Visa. In those cases, you might need to have a backup debit card or opt for a different payment method. Beyond the network, perks and considerations. While knowing the network is important, there's more to the story. Here are some additional things to consider about the Wealthsimple Cash Card. Prepaid advantage: unlike traditional credit cards, the Wealthsimple Cash Card is prepaid. This means you can only spend the money you have in your cash account, promoting responsible spending habits. No credit score impact: since it's prepaid, your Wealthsimple Cash Card activity won't affect your credit score. This is a big plus for those building or maintaining good credit. ATM withdrawals: you can withdraw cash from ATMs using your Wealthsimple Cash Card, but keep in mind there might be fees involved. Check the Wealthsimple Cash website for details on ATM withdrawal costs. International use: while Mastercard is widely accepted globally, there might be additional foreign transaction fees when using your card outside Canada. Be sure to check Wealthsimple's terms and fees for international usage. Wealthsimple Cash, a solid choice for everyday spending. Whether you're a budgeting pro or just looking for a convenient way to manage your everyday spending, Wealthsimple Cash, with its Mastercard network access, offers a compelling solution. The high-interest savings account and easy money transfer features add to its appeal. Remember, while the Mastercard network offers broad acceptance, it's always good practice to check a store's payment options before heading to checkout. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy spending.